You are welcome to the third lesson of scaffolding. My name is Habineza Michelle.
And I am Habiman Gabriel Devot. We are both trainers at Luenya TVET School.
In the previous video, we assembled the tower sides.
Let's now continue with fix all parts of the tower together.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, I'm Benny Carpentry, a Carpentry trainer at Luenya TVET School. Today I will come to the first session of making wooden scaffolding. The objective of this session is that at the end of this video, everyone will be able to produce and connect the rungs or the transoms in a proper way. Second is that everyone shall be able to connect the tower or to stand the tower in a proper way. I would like to encourage you to record some notes so that even in further time this might help you. It is more advisable to start inserting noggings from the bottom. Then next, try to insert the top ones for maintaining the spacing. It is not a problem if some force is needed to be applied, but if too much is needed, it is better to increase the joint length. Now let's insert all the remaining noggings. After that, on the noggings are inserted. Then let's put the platform at any position to check how strong is our tower or our scaffolding. We may even try to stand on the platform and check the quality of the work done, provided that everything is not fixed properly. Now, as everything is right, let's now fix the corner braces. These corner braces will play a role of supporting the moving system and maintaining the diagonals of the tower.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.